Ever wondered how to install Visual Studio Code for web development? Well, ponder no more. Today's video is all about the installation and setup of this powerful and versatile tool. We start off by downloading Visual Studio Code, a free open source code editor brought to you by Microsoft. Available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. All you need to do is open your web browser, type in Visual Studio Code download, or head over to code.visualstudio.com.next. We run the installer file that's just been downloaded. By following the on-screen instructions, you can effortlessly install Visual Studio Code on your computer. The process is quite straightforward and won't take up much of your time. Once the installation wraps up, launch Visual Studio Code. You can find it in the Start menu on Windows or in the Applications folder on macOS. A welcome screen greets you when you open Visual Studio Code for the first time. Now, we move on to one of the most exciting features of Visual Studio Code. Extensions. They enhance functionality and are a vital part of the setup process. For web development, several extensions are indispensable. To install them, open the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the sidebar, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X on Windows and CMD+Shift+X on macOS. Here are some of the extensions you should install. With these essential extensions installed, Visual Studio Code is primed and ready for web development. You can further customize it by exploring the myriad of available extensions in the Visual Studio Code marketplace. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code and set it up for web development. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll delve into more advanced features of Visual Studio Code and provide in-depth web development tutorials. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials and tips. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy coding.